All right, let's talk about how you can add a blank item in a drop-down list within Excel. So here we just have a random header, and in this cell here, we want a drop-down list to be able to select between different locations that we might have for a particular data set. Now, in order to create a drop-down list, you typically select the cell you want the drop-down list to be in, you go up to the data ribbon. Under Data Tools, you look for this icon, which is the data validation icon. Once you click that, this little menu will appear. And if I select List, and under Sources, I can type out the locations that I want separated by a comma for each drop-down item. Now, in order to create a blank item, you actually can't manually type in the source information. You need to reference a group of cells. So off to the side or somewhere else on your worksheet, you can type the data that you're needing to create. So in this case, we'll type location 1, location 2, so on and so forth, as many times as we need. Now, once you have your list created, simply drag that group of cells or range of cells down 1. Now, select the cell you want the drop-down list to be on, go to the data validation tool under the data ribbon. This menu will appear once again. Go ahead and select list, and then for your source, you're going to want to select your range of cells that include your location, plus that additional cell that's blank. Now when I hit OK and I go to my drop-down list, you can see that I have all of 6 of these locations that I can toggle between. But I also have this blank one here at the top that I can select. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.